Hey guys, it's Justin here with Rev and Explore Power Sport Previews, and today we're going to take an all new look at the Kawasaki Ninja 500, brand new for 2024. One of the first things you'll notice on the all-new 2024 Kawasaki Ninja 500 is the new aggressive styling in the front end and the all-new LED headlights. Those are projector beams with reflective high beam setting, giving clearer visibility for riders on any road conditions. Now, a lot of the features you'll see on the Ninja 500 are actually identical to the earlier model, the Ninja 400. Like the lightweight trellis frame, the Unilink rear suspension, front and back brake calipers. They also boast the same 6-speed transmission with the assist and slipper clutch built into them, designed to get beginner riders on the bike and have a great time doing it. Now, getting into the Ninja 500 specifically, they did go ahead and redesign the front fairings to be a little bit wider with more aggressive contour lines built into the bike to cut down on wind and make it more aerodynamic and a smoother ride. The new Ninja 500 also boasts a superior rider comfort by go ahead and adding a wider seat with more cushion built in and a slim design into the bike interface, allowing you to be the most comfortable in any riding position. The all-new LCD instrument display panel allows riders to connect to the bike via Bluetooth with Kawasaki's Rideology app. So now riders can access vehicle information, phone notifications, ride logs, also group communication settings, as well as maintenance logs, all from your smartphone. Also, specifically on the Ninja 500 SE ABS edition and this specific 40th anniversary edition, there is a few ample upgrades for these models, to include the tank pad and knee guards, as well as the built-in slim down LED turn signals. As you can see, there is frame sliders going to be on both of these models, and specifically to the 40th anniversary edition, you'll see it does have special paint and graphics that boast that heritage from Kawasaki's original race graphics from the early 80s and 90s era. Another nice upgrade on any of the special edition models, you do upgrade from that LCD display to the ultra bright TFT display on the special editions. Some of the other awesome features of the special edition models specifically, they do boast Kawasaki's radiator screen, as well as a large clear windscreen on the front of the bike to cut down on some wind. And for you, those of you needing to charge cell phones or use stuff like that out there on your ride, they do locate a USB-C port on the left-hand side. Now, last but not least, because it is the most impressive, the new Kawasaki exclusive key pass system for the special editions, allowing riders to remote access the bike. With the compact key fob, portable immobilizer, in a pocket, KeyPass allows riders to remotely release the bike's steering lock and main switch simply by approaching the bike. This system is actually developed by Mitsubishi's Electric Corporation using their encryption algorithm named Misty. Now, as you can see, the Kawasaki Ninja 500 is a pretty cool upgrade for 2024. Compared to the Ninja 400 models, they do run the same parallel twinned motor. However, in the 400cc, it only runs 399 cc's of power The new Ninja 500 actually boasts 451 cc's of power and actually 51 horsepower coming out of that motor, allowing for a little bit more responsive ride. And in my opinion, it looks like Kawasaki is actually going to probably replace that 400cc bike with the 500 due to the upgrades on these models. I definitely want you guys to come check them out, especially for new time riders. It does boast a lot of great features like the assistant slipper clutch, the ergonomic design of the bike, and gear indicators for shifting. Allows you to get on there and really helps train you to ride these bikes. Now remember, I'm Justin with Rev and Explore Power Sport Previews. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button because you're not going to want to miss what we got coming up next. Thanks for joining us. Let us know what you think in the comments below and have a great day.